And in our top business story, shares in Amlak Finance, which have been suspended since November 2008, will resume trading on Dubai's main bourse on June the 2nd. The Islamic mortgage provider made the announcement today. Trading in Amlak, part owned by MR Properties, was stopped as credit markets dried up and the Emirates' real estate prices began a near 50% fall from their peak. The shares last traded at 1.02 dirhams on November the 20th, 2008, having fallen 79% in the preceding 6 months. This comes as the company said on Monday that it had launched a new property finance product which caters to investors in ready residential and commercial properties. The company recently recorded a net group profit of 6 million dirhams for Q1 this year and 3.7 million dirhams attributable to its equity holders after non-controlling interest, down from 16 million for the same period last year. The UAE has come out top in the Middle East and Africa region and third globally for consumer confidence, according to the latest survey. An online survey released by Nielsen showed a consumer confidence score of 115 points for the UAE in the first quarter of 2015, with personal finances sentiment increasing 3 percentage points to 67% among residents from Q4 2014. More than half of UAE respondents plan to bank their spare cash at 53%. That's an increase of 3 percentage points from the previous quarter. However, sentiment about job prospects and immediate spending intentions declined 5 percentage points to 66% and 1 percentage point to 50%, respectively. The Nielsen Consumer Confidence Index measures perceptions of local job prospects, personal finances and immediate spending intentions among over 30,000 respondents with internet access in 60 countries. Globally, India, with a score of 130, ranked the highest in consumer confidence among 60 markets, followed by Indonesia at 123, the Philippines in joint third at 115 with the UAE. After a slow start this last quarter, IPO activity is set to pick up in both the UAE and Saudi Arabia, according to finance experts. Steve Drake, the head of PwC's capital markets and accounting advisory team in the Middle East, was quoted in a local daily as saying that the outlook for the remainder of the year is expected to improve, with set IPOs and several announcements by issuers mainly on the Saudi and the UAE stock exchanges. He added that the UAE regulators have recently initiated significant developments, with Nasdaq Dubai's collaboration agreement with the Egyptian exchange and the new UAE commercial companies law expected to further encourage listings. According to reports, some of the UAE companies likely to launch an IPO later this year include Daman Investments, while the Saudi regulator has approved an IPO for Saudi Ground Services, which is a subsidiary of Saudi Arabian Airlines. The opening of the kingdom's stock market to foreign investors next month will also encourage flotations. Low-cost carrier flydubai has announced plans to launch direct flights to Qatar in Pakistan next month. According to news agency WAM, and news reports, flights to the airline's 4th destination in Pakistan will start on June the 11th with 3 flights a week. flydubai first began flights to Pakistan with a daily service to Karachi, which has since grown to a double daily service due to demand. In 2013, flights to Sialkot and Multan were launched, and flydubai will increase its thrice weekly service to Multan to daily flights with effect from May the 26th. flydubai will then operate 27 flights a week to Pakistan. Officials from the carrier were quoted in the report as saying that economy class return fares to Qatar will start at 1,645 dirhams, and that this is the 14th destination they have announced this year.